All right, fellow travelers, let's dive into the ultimate travel packing hacks that are going to make your next trip a breeze. First up, the classic, rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space, but also keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when you pull out that crisp shirt for a night out. Now for the tech-savvy, invest in packing cubes. These little gems keep everything organized and in its place. It's like having drawers in your suitcase. Plus, they make it easier to find what you need without turning your bag into a chaotic mess. Speaking of organization, let's talk about your toiletries. Grab a hanging toiletry bag. Hang it on the back of the bathroom door and voila! Everything you need is right at your fingertips. No more digging around. Next hack, use a pill case to store your jewelry. Each compartment can hold different pieces, keeping them tangle-free and easy to find. It's a brilliant way to keep your accessories in check. Now let's tackle the shoe dilemma. Stuff your shoes with socks or other small items. This keeps your shoes from losing shape and saves space. And keep your dirty shoes away from clean clothes by wrapping them in a shower cap. Simple, yet effective. For the bookworms, consider an e-reader. It's lighter and can hold hundreds of books. That way you'll never run out of reading material without carrying the extra weight. It's time to talk about laundry. Pack a small laundry bag or even a plastic bag. This keeps your dirty clothes separate from your clean ones, making unpacking a breeze when you get home. All right, here's a game changer. Use a belt to keep your collar crisp. Roll up your belt and place it inside your shirt collar. It maintains the shape and keeps it looking fresh. And now the ultimate hack for the digital age, carry a power strip. Hotels often have limited outlets, and this way you can charge all your devices at once. No more fighting over that single outlet. Lastly, don't forget to leave some space. Whether it's for souvenirs or just some extra breathing room, you'll appreciate having a bit of wiggle room in your suitcase. There you have it. These packing hacks will save you time, space, and a whole lot of hassle. Happy travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome travel tips.